How to put image and shape in Canva. Putting an image in a shape in Canva adds a creative and visually appealing element to your design, allowing for unique compositions and layouts. But in today's video, I'm going to show you a basic one on how to do it. So you're just going to go ahead and create a design. For example, I'm going to try to use this one here. So this is actually a phone wallpaper. And then the first thing that I'm going to do is actually just find photos. It can be any photos really. I'm going to click elements here, for example, and I'm just going to try to look for old photos here or vintage photos. And then I'm going to look here in the photos. Basically it can be any photos again, and I'm just trying to find something that is stock and free here. So say for example, okay, this one, I'm gonna try to use this one. Alright, and then now that we have photo, we're just going to resize this in order to make this smaller. And then the next thing that we're going to find is a frame. So to do that, you're just going to go ahead to the elements and then scroll down here to the bottom until you see frames or grids. Grids is also going to be okay, but for now we're going to try to use frames. So I'm going to click this one here, and then you can just basically choose any shapes that you want. Okay, say for example this one here, this is a phone, so I'm gonna try to put this. The way you're going to do this is that you're just going to drag it, and there you go. So you just drag it to the shape. Now you're able to successfully do it. Congratulations everybody. And yep, that's basically how you do it. It's very easy, right? Again everybody, that is how you're going to put an image in shape here in Canva. Upgrading to Canva Pro has been a game changer for people who are serious about getting top quality designs, even if they are beginner whose knowledge of designing is limited. It offers a suite of advanced design tools and exclusive templates that can elevate the quality of your projects. Should you be interested, click that link on the description box and the comment section below and enjoy amazing perks just for you. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like if it helps you out.